Hi crafters, Amy here with Amy's Wares, and today I have some mid-month inspiration. Now in this quick video I'm going to use this fabulous new patterned noise stencil. This is on sale for the first week only. So from the 15th through the 22nd you can get it on sale, plus use my coupon 𝗵𝗲𝗹𝗃. Now here's a photo of the finished card to show you the direction we're headed, but it was super simple. Now I wanted this sort of color, like a really muted gray blue, so I used the speckled egg distress oxide and a blending foam through this stencil on my makeshift turntable here with an Altenew sticky mat, and this was super quick and easy. You can see I don't actually even have this sped up. That's how fast it is. And I am a little bit obsessed with this stencil. I'm not gonna lie. I feel like this would be amazing for any sort of like subtle background, any like multimedia sort of project. Super fun. Absolutely love it. Now it did end up looking a little bit more gray than I intended. I did want it to look a little bit more teal, but that's the only thing that I wasn't super thrilled about. Now here I was trying to figure out how I could get the stem to go off the edge, and then I thought, oh duh, move it up to the front of the MISTI or the top of the MISTI, and then you can hang them off the bottom. So it took me a moment. I probably wasn't very caffeinated when I filmed this, but anyway, got it figured out, picking it up with the MISTI door. And then instead of black, I opted to use 𝗵𝗲𝗃𝗀 Clair, like the midnight color, I think is what it's called. It's like a navy blue, and I'm so pleased that I did that because I feel like I don't know, there's just something different about it. So if you ever don't want to use stark black, think about using like a dark brown or a navy instead. And it's kind of shocking how much of a difference it makes. So I used a couple of those blooms from that stamp set. I'll try and remember to link everything below. Now these stamps are I think they're Concord and Ninth and Christina Werner collab. Amazing. Anyway, it matched perfectly with the navy. I used some moonshine blingage, which is also kind of newish to the shop. You can use my coupon code 𝗵𝗲𝗃𝗀 on all of this, even when that stencil is on sale. So be sure to check it out and the rest of the June release. I hope you found this inspiring. If you did, please hit the thumbs up, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.